If we keep going where we're going, we're going to be in a very bad place. And I think the real question we have to ask ourselves is, why are we doing it? We have not figured out how to mobilize the collective will and the collective skill to be the collective stewards of our commons, which is that human progress is a function not just of technological advancement, but of human cooperation and technological advancement. Is once you get that will mobilized, and when that will is mobilized, will we have the social skill to actually negotiate global treaties which will be effective in taking care of the commons rather than taking care of the individual self-interests? I think the commissioner this morning was the one who suggested that environmentalists and industry have to marry. We invited the environmental community into bed with us. We did not do this just with WWF, who are easy to date. We invited Greenpeace and Canadian Parks and Wilderness and Forest Ethics and Canopy. We went for the most aggressive environmental groups in Canada. And 9 of them and 21 large integrated forestry companies actually signed a roadmap for resource efficiency in Canada. The forest industry had to agree to embrace all the environmental imperatives, and the environmental community had to agree to embrace all the economic imperatives. We have Greenpeace going to the government asking them to allow us to log in virgin forests so that we can stop logging in areas that are critical habitat for endangered species. We have the industry lobbying for more stringent environmental protection of species so that our work with the environmental groups would have a legal foundation. Are now a year and a half into the agreement, and every single polarized battle of vested interests has been resolved with solutions that both sides can embrace, not just accept, but embrace. We are playing an experiment with the global population. It's called globalization. And the answer to the experiment with Earth is to become more conscious of the skills and attitudes necessary to be successful when we share the Earth under globalization. Thank you.